I used to believe that we needed to fall in love with nature in order to protect our planet. As a climate change educator, I've had the question asked over and over again, what can I do? I share solutions of renewable energy technologies, and people get really excited to know that we do have the solutions at hand, we do have the technology, and that we're just lacking the will. Well, we had the Paris conference, the climate conference in Paris, and what I walked away from was the fact that 195 countries have now collectively realized that not only do we have a problem, but that we must take action. They have agreed to take action. 700 mayors in Paris collectively agreed that we must take action. I now feel that it's up to us, the people, in order to bring that action, this collective action to fruition. I believe that we actually have a special ingredient to make this happen, and that is love. Love as renewable energy. We know that people don't necessarily have nature at their disposal. Many people live in cities across the world, and it's hard for them to have that love affair with nature, to embrace what we need to protect. We've been given the image of the earth back in 1972, which has helped people understand that this is what we have as our home and that we need to protect it. But the earth will be here long after us if we don't make the changes we need. It is actually that we need to protect humanity. And how are we going to do that? With love as renewable energy. It is love that actually drives us to do something. We need to understand what love is. We also need to take a look at what renewable means, and then understand what energy is. And if we tie the three together as love as renewable energy, I believe that we could use that energy and harness it collectively and create the future that we want for our children and future generations. We all have things deep inside of us that we love, that move us to do the things that we do. We can use that love to be excited about putting solar panels on our house, use the renewable energy technologies. We can use our love to plant a garden. We can channel our love towards other people and caring, so that when we make decisions to lower our carbon emissions, we're not actually giving up something and sacrificing. We're actually caring for others. And that isn't taking something away. It's actually giving something. It's giving of our love. Love as renewable energy is the energy that will help us to create a livable future for our children and future generations. Thank you.